Well, next month, a specialized sector of the National Suicide Hotline is going away.
The Trump administration ended a service that's geared toward LGBTQ+ youth. Now, this comes after a leaked budget draft revealed the federal government planned to cut funding for it. Now, KVUE's Kelsey Sanchez spoke with local advocates about how this could affect so many Central Texas kids. Kelsey?
Quita and Ashley, data from the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration show that more than 1.2 million people in the LGBTQ+ community called the hotline in the past 3 years. I did talk with local advocates who say this cut isn't surprising, but there are still other resources and support younger folks can access. Here at the Little Gay Shop in East Austin, the celebration of the LGBTQ+ community is everywhere.
We are a business, but we are a community-focused business with a mission.
A mission co-owner Justin Galitz says is more important now more than ever.
I think we've seen continued attacks on our communities with this administration that are not surprising to us in any capacity, because it's way easy to scapegoat us than it is to, address some of the actual issues in the world.
Galitz is talking about the announcement from the Trump administration. The Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration is cutting a specialized suicide prevention hotline that caters to LGBTQ youth on July 17th. It was known as the Press 3 option.
It can be daunting, it can be scary sometimes, but there are still so many other resources within our local community, within the state, within the country that are still running, still operational, still here to serve and protect you and be there for you.
For Reverend Dr. Mary Wilson, who works with children and families within the LGBTQ+ community at Chrysalis Q, it also wasn't surprising to learn the program will end.
This action shows the lack of care for a certain portion of the community that is particularly vulnerable.
In a statement, the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration says the 988 hotline will still be available for anyone who needs it. And as for other resources and support, Wilson adds there's still a local community that remains resilient.
We have to support one another.
So while the general 988 line will remain open to all, advocates say nonprofits like the Trevor Project will also offer specialized 24/7 crisis services for LGBTQ+ youth.